OnePlus 6T, officially confirmed. Later this year, OnePlus will be launching OnePlus 6T smartphone, as an upgrade to the OnePlus 6. As seen in the past, the upcoming OnePlus 6T might also be an incremental upgrade to the popular OnePlus 6. Till date, the company hasn't officially confirmed about this upcoming device. However, the device is now spotted on the Russian certification website. While the OnePlus 6 came with the model number A6000, the upcoming OnePlus 6T will be coming with the model number A6013. The OnePlus 6T is rumored to come with wireless charging support, along with stereo speaker setup. As seen on the recently launched Oppo devices, the OnePlus 6T might also embrace the water drop screen, with the V-shaped notch on the top. With the OnePlus 6T, the company might also rebrand the Dash Charge technology as Warp Charge. OnePlus 6T might also be the first OnePlus device to be sold via a US carrier. It will surely be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 mobile platform. If the company opted water drop screen, the Super AMOLED display on the OnePlus 6T will offer more than 90% screen-to-body ratio. Just like its predecessor, the upcoming OnePlus 6T will also sport glass back body. Following the current trend, the company should also bring a gradient variant. The OnePlus 6 came with 16 plus 20 megapixels dual rear cameras, and a 16 megapixels single front camera. The company recently released the Android 9.0 Pie beta update for the OnePlus 6 with Hydrogen OS. We expect to see the OnePlus 6T running on the latest Android 9.0 Pie out of the box. While we just started seeing the leaks of the OnePlus 6T, there will be more coming out soon. Stay tuned for more details. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future. And also like and share this video.